16 private acres in Fryeburg frame this custom home where artisanal craft meets modern performance. A mahogany front door opens into a limestone-floored foyer, leading to an open-plan living space crowned by pine beams milled from the property itself. The Jotul wood stove anchors a stone hearth beneath a vaulted ceiling, while the kitchen showcases mahogany cabinetry, pyrite and granite countertops, and ZLINE appliances. Upstairs, Douglas fir flooring and white oak beams carry the timber story further. The primary suite offers an antique stained glass door and a spa bathroom with a soaking tub and marble tile. From the covered porch, mountain views stretch uninterrupted. Schedule your private tour today.